Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to find your Mac model and info on macOS. To do it, click on your Apple logo in top left corner, then about this Mac. And here is your basic info about your Mac, which is gonna be your processor, graphics, memory, serial number, and macOS, as well as the screen size, year of manufacture, and the model, because there may be different models. This one has two Thunderbolt 3 ports. And you can also click on more info to get more info in system settings. And you can also go to system report to see much more data, and here you can see everything about your Mac. You can go to hardware, network, software, and just read all of the data that you need. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.